To scan documents using Adobe Scan application on Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is first go into the Google Play Store. From here you will have to search for this application called Adobe Scan. This one right here, this blue application by Adobe. Simply install this application and after the installation completes, open it. Next, you'll have to log in into the Adobe Scan. You'll either have to create account or you can simply log in using Google, Facebook or Apple. I will use with Google right here, and it is actually recommended to log in with Google. It is pretty quick and simple process. And from here you will have to there's the premium tools for mobile, but it is not actually necessary. You don't have to use this to actually use the application. You don't have to subscribe. Alright, from here you will have to accept a couple of permissions, like this permission for pictures and videos to record, and here for notifications. You can also allow this. And from here you are now ready to scan documents. So let's take some document, like for example, let's take this one. It might also get scanned with no problem. So let's put this, as you can see, here's this instruction to tap the screen when you're ready to scan. And the application will automatically find borders and take the photo. So all you have to do is just simply, when you're ready for the scanning, put the phone steady, tap on the screen, and from here wait until the application finds this document. As you can see, hold steady your phone, and now we have this picture with the document. And as you can see, here are these scans result. Here you can adjust the size of the document in case it has been scanned not as you would like to, and basically if there's a problem with your orientation of the document, you can also rotate this picture. There are also some more settings, but basically this is all you need right now, right here. There's nothing much to do actually, and from here you can also keep scanning in case if you have more pages for your document, and also if you are done, simply press save PDF. And from here, as you can see, this is the part which is being saved. Because of my actually bad quality, I mean, it was in the bad lighting, and so please make sure that you are scanning your documents in the good environment with a good light over the document, and the scanning will be alright. And this is basically how you can do this.